students, in today's lecture we'll be studying about the testing tactics. As you all know, testing is a process applied in order to find out errors in a program. Or when I'm developing a project, we want to continuously test it to ensure that it is working as per the requirement. It is a strategy for software testing which provides a roadmap that the steps are well planned and then undertaken to determine how much effort, time, resources will be required. So testing has to be well planned in order to know how much effort, time and resources are required in advance. Therefore, any testing strategy must incorporate testing planning, test case design, test execution, resultant data collection and evaluation. A test case is a situation against which we are testing the particular software or code. And whatever output is being gathered, that output is stored in the audit. And it is being evaluated to generate a report and determine whether the software is working as per desired. A software testing strategy should be flexible enough to promote a customized technique or testing approach. At the same time, it must be rigid enough to encourage reasonable planning and management tracing as the project progresses. The characteristics of a good test are: a good test should have a high probability of finding an error. A good test is not redundant, means it is not repetitive. Testing time and resources are always limited, so we must make a good utilization of the resources. A good test should be best of the breed. There are many testing techniques available, but depending upon the need and situation, we have to choose the testing technique. A good test should neither be too simple nor it should be too complex. Now, how a testing is done? It's a small example given in the table here. We develop a test traceability matrix in which we describe the modules which are to be tested. For example, the login module which has to be tested, then the feed in biometric details if that is one of my element of the project. We describe the situations here, and then each situation is given a test case number. So TC1 is the test case ID. This is situation 1, this is situation 2. Then we test them according to our norms. If they pass the test, if they work as desired, then I say TC1 pass and TC2 pass. This is all about testing techniques and testing tactics. Thank you.